subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Xiaomi sub-brand Poco has launched its new entry-level C-series smartphone in India as Poco C55 with quite cool looking design. Now let's have a look at the specifications of the smartphone.
The Poco C55 features a tall 6.71-inch HD Plus display with a standard 60Hz refresh rate and up to 120Hz touch sampling rate support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, paired with Mali G52 M02 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4 or 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to 5GB by using internal storage, and it has 64 or 128GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of optics, the Poco C55 supports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses 150MP main camera with f1.8 aperture along with the unspecified secondary lens. And for selfies, it has 5MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 10W charging support, and it runs on Android 12 out of the box based on MIUI 13 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP52 certified for splash assistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 168.76 by 76.41 by 8.77mm, and it weighs around 192 grams.
So now let's take a look at the pricing details of the smartphone.
The Poco C55 has been priced in India for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 9,499 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 10,999 Indian rupees, and it will be available at a discount price of 1,000 rupees for a limited period of time. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from February 28 in cool blue, power black, and forest green color option.
So what do you guys think of this Poco C55 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys now next video.